Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at pasensya na kayo sa boses ko, no? If ako ay mauubo or magkakarack yung voice ko kasi meron akong sore throat. Although pagaling naman na siya. Mm-mm. So, this reading is about what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to. So, any time na mapanood nyo, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayun. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's see, Leo. Next 2 weeks, what's up? No place like home. Parang mamimiss niyo yung inyong bahay or yung hometown ninyo. Maaring it's either aalis kayo for a short time in the next 2 weeks. Tapos mamimiss niyo yung inyong bahay. Or yung iba naman sa inyo, uuwi sa inyong hometown. Not for you. May mga bagay na marirealize mo na hindi pala talaga para sa'yo in the next 2 weeks. And I think meron kang i-explore na iba, no, na mas magiging adventurous ka. Maaring let's say there's a job na akala mo para sa'yo pero hindi pala talaga, no? And then yun pala yung reason kaya hindi binibigay sa'yo yung inaakala mong para sa'yo is dahil merong ibang opportunity na nakalaan para sa'yo at tinetest ka ng universe, tinetest ka ni God kung willing ka na mag-take ng risk. Oo. So, kumbaga, ikaw ay magte-take ng risk in the next 2 weeks. What is your overall energy? Knight of Swords. Yung next 2 weeks sa inyo, parang ang bilis lang yan mangyayari. Maaring marami kang kakausapin, marami kang gagawin, marami kang aasikasuhin eh. You're going to be very busy in the next 2 weeks. I also see someone na parang hinahabol ka na kausapin, pero parang wala kang time para kausapin siya. Your challenge is the Two of Cups. So this can be a challenging relationship or situation with someone. If you are in a relationship na pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding sa inyo, ng partner mo, or sa business partnership. There's also someone here na, yung iba sa inyo na merong insecurity, no? When you look at yourself in the mirror, parang feeling mo may kulang sa'yo or may kailangan ka pang ayusin or improve sa sarili mo. I mean, there's nothing wrong with improving yourself, enhancing yung mga gusto mong pa-enhance. Pero kailangan mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo and appreciate mo muna yung sarili mo. Kasi it should come from you. Parang kumbaga, kailangan ikaw yung number 1 na cheerleader, 'di ba, ng sarili mo. Kumbaga sabi nila, love your own. And then your opportunity, Ace of Swords. So you have the opportunity to learn something new. Pwedeng meron kang course na susubukan, pag-aaralan. Pwedeng short courses to, pwedeng online courses. Anything that will add knowledge sa'yo, na pwede mo magamit yung knowledge na yon to improve your life. So, pwede yung mga short courses online na magtuturo sa'yo kung paano gawin ang isang bagay, no? And yung skill na yon magagamit mo to earn money, to have a new source of income. You also have the opportunity to talk to someone May communication kasi rito eh. Na pwedeng inatatakot kang kausapin. No, wala kang lakas ng loob na kausapin. And then eventually, in the next 2 weeks, maglalakas loob ka na i-confront na at kausapin na. This can be anyone. And then your blessing is the star. Wow. Wish coming true. In the next 2 weeks, kung maniniwala ka talaga, makukuha mo yung pinapangarap mo or yung goal mo in the next 2 weeks. I also see healing, blessings of healing for you, healing from your past trauma, healing from your failures. And I think, no, mas magiging focus ka sa mga goals mo. Unlike before na parang nako-confuse ka. So, ngayon, mas, kumbaga, you are keeping your eye on the prize. Dun lang nakatutok. Garden. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong mga events na pupuntahan in the next 2 weeks. Maaring makakakilala ka ng bagong friend, bagong connection. Some of you, if you are in a relationship with someone, pwede talagang magkaroon ng challenge sa inyo. May misunderstanding rito eh. I see someone na nagfo-fall below the expectation ng the other person. So, parang nafo-frustrate siya dahil hindi na ibibigay sa kanya yung ine-expect niya. This can be you or the person that you're dealing with. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ito ay sa bahay, kasama sa bahay, family member, na instead na makatulong sa'yo is parang nagiging burden pa. Oo, kumbaga parang pabigat. Pabigat talaga, no? 2 beses lumabas yung star sa inyo. Dreams coming true. Wow, ang ganda. Your dreams are coming true. Ano ba yung kanta na yon? Somewhere out there, beneath the pale moonlight. Yon. Someone's thinking of me and loving me tonight. Okay, so sa naman, kaperahan. Mentor. O, merong willing na magturo sa'yo. Alam mo, ang mentorship, hindi naman kailangan talaga yan na parang face-to-face, nakakausap mo. Pwede rin, meron kang mentor na sa YouTube mo lang napapanood or nabasa mo lang yung libro na sinulat niya, 'di ba? That will help you improve your finances, your career, your business, your skills pagdating sa trabaho. And then may celebration. It's time to celebrate your hard work and even your small wins. So whatever this is, na magte-take ka ng risk, na tinuturo, may insekto. This is going to be successful for you or meron kang, parang may mahihit ka na target eh. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. Wow. So, meron kang i-explore. Oo. Something na very, tawag nito, very interested ka. Okay, ano pa? Sa love life naman. Self-care. Uy. Focusing on yourself. Yung iba sa inyo single, you are manifesting a person in your life. Alam nyo yung pagmamanifest ng person na to, magagawa nyo yan the moment na mas alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo. Kasi, kumbaga, pag inalaga nyo yung sarili nyo, diba, mas nagsishine kayo. Mas napapansin kayo. Kaya nga merong interesado sa'yo ngayon na maaring inaalam ang inyong ganap sa buhay. in-stalk kayo sa social media. Pwedeng ito yung makikilala mo sa event or sa gathering, tapos nagiging interesado sa'yo. Oh. Diba? You've earned all your stripes. Yes, be proud of it. This is true confidence. Oo, yung totoong confidence sa sarili mo, Leo. Proud ka sa mga pinagdaanan mo, good or bad, yung failures mo, yung success mo. Kasi yan yung nagbibigay sa'yo ngayon ng wisdom, no? Ng lakas para magpatuloy sa buhay. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.